1. The allegory of drowning. In the allegory of drowning, Socrates uses vivid imagery to convey his teaching. Just as a person who is drowning experiences a moment of panic and disorientation before a potential rescue, Socrates suggests that individuals must confront their own ignorance with a similar sense of urgency and discomfort. This allegory emphasizes the transformative power of intellectual struggle and the necessity of facing one's limitations head-on. 2. The caveat of comfort. Socrates challenges the prevailing notion that certainty and comfort lead to true knowledge. Instead, he argues that intellectual growth requires embracing uncertainty and questioning one's assumptions. By pushing people out of their comfort zones, Socrates encourages them to explore new ideas and perspectives, ultimately leading to a deeper understanding of the world. 3. Embracing ignorance. Socrates' humility in admitting his own ignorance sets him apart from the arrogant sophists of his time. Rather than claiming to possess all the answers, Socrates humbly acknowledges the limits of his knowledge and invites others to do the same. By embracing ignorance as a starting point for inquiry, Socrates creates an environment where genuine learning can flourish. 4. The paradox of wisdom. Socrates' teachings often revolve around paradoxes, and the paradox of wisdom is no exception. While wisdom traditionally connotes a deep understanding of the world, Socrates suggests that true wisdom begins with the recognition of one's own ignorance. By acknowledging the vast expanse of what one does not know, individuals become more open to learning and are better equipped to seek out knowledge.
5. The path to enlightenment. Ultimately, Socrates' lesson of drowning for success points towards a path to enlightenment. By confronting ignorance with courage and humility, individuals can embark on a journey of intellectual discovery and self-improvement. Through this process of questioning, exploring, and learning, one can emerge from the depths of ignorance with a clearer understanding of the world and their place within it.